Have you ever noticed sometimes our brain likes to amplify everything than it really is, including our fears and worries? In the head at once pop up fictional dialogues, not pleasant events, and from the peace of mind there is no trace left. My name is Anastasia, and in this video I want to discuss how to cope with it. I will tell you my point of view, and please leave your thoughts in the comments too. Do you agree with me or you have another opinion? I will be grateful for your like and subscription if you like my content, and let's get to the topic. The truth is that despite of our intense worries, the result will be the same. If the result of your situation will be positive, it means that you suffer in vain. And if it will be negative, it means that you suffer twice the same scenario. In both cases, this is just a waste of your nerves, and ideally you should not fall into despair. For example, I believe that this is experience anyway in both positive or negative way. It's needed for something in our future, and everything works to our benefit, even if it doesn't always seem obvious right away. Of course, I'm the living person like you, and when something pop up in my mind, something negative, I'm not always remember about this positive side of this situation. But generally, I accept the situation pretty quick and even sometimes romanticize some not positive events in my life, because yes, maybe it's not something positive for everybody, for somebody, but for me, I think they have kind of charm in them. Of course, I understand it is easier to reflect about this situation, like I do right now, than to accept it right away, it happened, and try to change your vision. So, what way out, I see? Look, what actually happens when the brain is anxious and it seems unstoppable? It gives the event what you're thinking about the excessive importance in your mind, and our emotional level goes sky high. So what we actually need, we need to lower this importance in our brain. There are different strategies. You can get rid of your emotions and thoughts from your mind, such as splash your emotions through your body in the gym, or maybe you would prefer swimming or maybe running, something that your body will splash out. The main principle is to give for your body a little bit exhausting exercise. In fact, you have too much energy that you keep inside, and giving it out through your body will stabilize your emotional level and empty your mind. The next option to reduce the importance for your mind is to find another thoughts or activities that also will be significant for your mind. Helping others and involved in the situation always helps a lot. For example, you can find out about problems of your friend and try to solve their problems. Or maybe you would prefer to pay for somebody in transport, or maybe in grocery store for somebody who seems needed. The options may be different, but as a result, you did the good thing for another person or maybe animal. For example, you can volunteer for a while, and our brain took it as an achievement. It becomes one more important event for your mind, but only positive. And for our brain, it's kinda difficult to think positive and negative way at the same time. Another option, the easiest for some, the most difficult for others, is to experience this emotion till the end, to the full. To express them in any way you like. Maybe it will be drawing your situation, or maybe you like to sing songs with matching lyrics, anything that suits you. The idea is to feel all the pain, all the essence of the situation, so that it is no longer left, to exhaust your soul and to reborn as a phoenix. Imagine that you are a vessel, and inside of you your water is stale and spoiled. If someone would like to drink this water, he will be poisoned. If someone would like to water the flower just get wilted. If this poisoned water is not much, but it is still there, it means that when you would like to pour fresh and new water inside, it will be also poisoned. So first of all, you need to empty your vessel. You need to suffer until you will understand that there is nothing left no more. And only then the new water will slowly fill your vessel and will continue to be fresh and pleasant for everyone. Everyone will choose something different. Maybe for somebody it will be good to go step by step through all these variants, or maybe to mix some of them. But anyway, the importance of your situation will be lower and lower. You will stop being trapped by your mind and finally will feel the joy of this life again. Thank you for your attention and attention to my thoughts. I would be glad if this video helps you or maybe inspire you to find your own way. If so, don't forget to share with us in the comments. See you in the next video and next my thoughts. And please try not to suffer extra time or in vain. Take care of your nerves.